So in last two GST Council meeting, GST rates on insurance premium were expected to be discussed, but it did not happen. And in upcoming GST Council meeting of December, what we are given to understand that GST relief likely to be given, and there is a connection between GST Council relief on GST rates on insurance premium and Insurance Act amendment, because government is planning to bring Insurance Act amendment in winter session of the Parliament, and as per our sources, government want that GST relief on insurance premium should be done before the bill is tabled in the Parliament. So most likely in GST Council meeting in month of December, which is happening in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, GST relief on insurance premium is likely to be given. Group of Minister GOM has also recommended GST relief on term insurance premium and zero GST on premium paid by senior citizen, and the insurance coverage of the policy sum assured coverage of 5 lakh. These are the recommendations by GOM. And if we see that overall the health insurance premium data also, which also suggests, which also supports the GST relief, because we have seen that starting from the Cabinet Minister Nitin Gadkari to several opposition parties are also asking for the GST cut, because the 18% GST on insurance premium is too high, and the insurance penetration is also getting hampered, because as per the global average, insurance premium, non-life insurance penetration is just 1% as compared to the global average of 4%, and the government has also target, IRD regulator has also target for insurance for all to achieve the insurance for all, insurance penetration need to be increased and GST rate to be reduced. And now government also planning to bring the Insurance Act amendment, which is the biggest reform in insurance sector. So there is a complete sync and connection that first GST rates will be reduced, and later on followed by GST rate reduction, government will bring Insurance Act amendment bill in the winter session of Parliament.